I'm Denise Wild, and I'm going to make over this blank wall into a creative space for my daughter. This is my office and creative space, and I'm going to add a dedicated maker area for my daughter Tema so she can be inspired and get her crafty goods under control. I got all of these fun products from Staples Canada, and I'm going to share some tips on how you can make over your space too. Start with your base, a good desk. I chose this one for the expansive working tabletop and the corkboard. My daughter is an avid creator, and there's no better way to encourage her creativity than to show off her talents with an art display wall. Using just a few products, this is an easy, quick project that looks beautiful and that she or I can both update easily. I can't wait to surprise my daughter and show this to her. I know she's going to love it. When you're setting up a space for a young maker, fill it with products that will inspire their creativity. Look for unique supplies, colorful tools, and all-in-one project kits. The brighter and bolder, the better. I love adding lots of color to encourage creativity. Look for organizers that have dividers and nooks to keep stuff in. And opt for storage with wheels to make it easy for kids to move everything around. And don't forget to add labels. Craft kits are a great addition because all of your supplies are included. Look for a chair that's perfect for small bodies and small spaces. I know this will inspire my daughter, and I hope it inspires you too.